Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable ultra touch in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings like this. Then you have to swipe down and here it is, notification and control center, and you will see here it is display and brightness. You have to simply click on it, swipe down, and here it is ultra touch. You have to click on swipe speed. If it is normal fast, you have to click on ultra fast. Then here it is motion speed, you have to click on fast, and you can see how fast it is just displaying. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.